Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how we can generate storybook using Gemini. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. In order to generate the storybook using Gemini, you need to click on the gem section that is there in your settings. So once you open the gem section, here you will find this gem manager section. Within that, there are some experimental feature that Gemini has provided. So within that, you need to look for this storybook section. So once you click on it, the storybook gem will open. And here there are some templates they have already provided using the ideas using which you can generate the storybook. I already have one idea in my mind, so I'm going to paste that script into this particular storybook. So this is the story that I want to create. It's a emotional story, rags to riches story, where poor young boy becomes a successful person in his life, and he lifts his family out of poverty. So I will click on submit and let Gemini create this particular storybook. So we find occasions where we want to gift something to our loved ones. In that case, so instead of giving them the same things as gift, I think we can create storybook. We can print it and give it to them. So it would be more special and personalized gift for the other person, and they will definitely like it. So now I have provided this prompt for creating storybook. We have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes and this storybook will be prepared. So once this storybook is prepared, you will find on the left hand side there will be a picture, and the on the right hand side it would be the story. So let's give some time to Gemini to generate the full storybook, and now you can see we are already seeing the preview of the story. So now you can see automatically the title is provided to this storybook, The Bridge Builder's Heart, and whoever is creating that storybook, his name is there, his or her. So it's in case of me, it's Siddesh. So now see, alien world was a patchwork of almost enough. So now this is the story which is getting generated, and on the left hand side you can see the characters as well. So here education is the only key that fits every lock alien. So this is the alien, and I think this is his mother, and you can see how he's studying. Entire book is generated. If you want to listen, then we can use this listen feature to listen to this book. If you want to share it, we can share it as well. And if you want to download and then print it, I think that is also possible. So I'm just downloading this particular storybook to see how it looks. And I think this would be the best idea to download, print it, and give it to someone. And you can see, I think at a time it generates up to 10 pages. So if you want to create small stories, and this is helpful for the writers as well, if they want to give some concept for other person to read, so they can utilize this storybook to generate their storybook and visualize their script. So now the PDF is downloaded. You can see all the all the sections there in the PDF, and we can utilize it. Here you can see everything is there. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.